Hey guys, so I was over here and I'm hearing some strange noises coming from these woods. So I don't know what it is. Hey Dad, can you go look at it? I'm hearing strange, scary noises.
Is it like a monster or something?
Probably. No, I'm not going in.
Go over there, don't look at me, don't look
Okay. So guys, my dad's gonna go in and see what those noises are. Dad? Uh-oh. What am I supposed to do in this, guys? Maybe I should get a stick. I gotta go save Dad. Aha. This big piece of wood is gonna work. Okay. I'm gonna go inside the woods. Okay. Shh. Daddy! Oh, I tripped!